If I heard your voice calling now, if at this instant the hour came to come from heaven to take all your children, I would fear, for I do not obey you, God. I know I have made many mistakes, living so far from your plans, and you always called me, but I remained deaf, and I did not want to hear your voice of love, Lord. Darkness dims my light, and I seek strength in you, Lord Jesus. The little that remains of this poor being of mine, I surrender into your hands. Make me reborn. Like a spring flower I will bloom, like the light of a new day dawn, and grateful then my whole being will praise you until one day you call my name. And I will be very attentive when you call